Everyone, I'm going to show you how to scrape the emails for any website on the Google by using the Google Doc. Now, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose and scraping is illegal. So do it on your own risk, right? So in order to go with the Google Doc, we are going to use one tool which help us to create the Google Doc for basically any usage, right? So for that, we need to open one website called FluxxSet.com. Once you are on the website, you need to click on this particular tool icon. Here you will find the tools to create the doc. So can you see there is a Google Doc generator. So let me click on that, and it has a like quite complex interface. So here you can add the basic things. If you want advanced, then you can add the advanced things. If you want super advanced, then you can add super advanced and so on. So let's do one thing. Let's start with the site. So what I want to do is I want to check emails on the website called x.com. Okay, so let's do x.com right here. In the exact phrase, I don't want to add anything. If I go to the advanced section, then I will find the words in the body in text, right? So here I want to add that I want to find at. Okay, this is what I want to find, because in each and every email I will find this particular at, and then at least it will be the gmail.com or the outlook.com or the yahoo.com or fluxxset.com, which is my website, right? But yes, we can add here aol.com also, because aol is also quite famous. And not only that, we can add the proton also. Let me create this space right here and add proton.me, which is their domain name. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the bottom of the page and let's click on the generate doc. By the way, on this website, you will find a lot of different settings and options available to create the doc. You can create the most advanced doc possible in this website. Please check that out, right? So let me click on the search on the Google. Once I click that, voila, we have the list of the emails. We have the like each and every single result has an email. Okay, so can you say this is Ahmad whatever gmail.com, then there is a Tarun gmail.com, then there is a here Shirley Gmail, whatever it is. So we have lot of Gmails right here. Let's go to the page number 5, and again you will find lot of Gmails right here, right? So can you see lot of emails are there? Not only the Gmails, you will find the web emails from the other domains also that we have mentioned in the doc, because here we have mentioned that it has to be Gmail or the Outlook or the Yahoo. Anything is okay, right? So far the Gmail is quite popular. Everyone is adding the Gmail to their Twitter. That's why the Gmail is coming. But if you go to the very last page, then somewhere you should start seeing the other domains also. So let me just give a try and let me check if I'm able to find any other domain. But it looks like we are not able to find. So let's do one thing. Let's go back right here and let's remove the gmail.com from our doc. Okay, so let's remove this gmail.com from our doc. Click on the generate and then click on the search on the Google, and this time we should find something else. Yeah, this time we started showing aol.com, then there is a yahoo.com, outlook.com emails are also there, and there are a lot of other emails also there. So yeah, this way you can change basically the website name here, add any other website and start finding the email. Not only that, if you want to find the latest results only, then you can say date before or after, right? So here you can say any date before, let's say 2024 January. Okay, so I will say I want to check any date before, okay, 2025 and 1 January, right? And then I will go here and I will click on the generate doc. Not only that, I can specify the how many results I want. If I want only 10 results, then I also say I want 10 to 100 results, right? I can say that and click on the generate doc and it will automatically generate. Click on the Google and you will find the results accordingly, right? So it's up to you how you are basically configuring the doc and getting the results. To most optimize the doc, I will suggest don't add the dates right here. Instead of date, you can add the number of search and results and some other keywords in the title or in title or in body. Or you can use any other operands right here, because there is a metadata operand also available, there is a link operand also available. So you can use any and combine that, and at the end of the day you will be able to find heavy load of the emails and heavy load of the valid emails, right? So yeah, that's all for this particular video. This video was only for educational purpose. I hope you keep in that mind. And that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next.